Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a sprint backlog. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of management and order. It got the following characteristics. It is a list of tasks that are identified by the Scrum team. It should be completed during each sprint. Allows to see the task where the team is having problems and not moving forward, to make decisions about it. Subdivide the user stories that are described the functionalities that make up a project. This list is defined and estimated at the meeting of the sprint planning at the beginning of the iteration. Tasks should be small and little coupled to be able to estimate them. Depending on the agile method used, the elements included in the backlog they are called items, user stories, work units, etc. Scrum is the main methodology who use these resources. However, some other methodologies also use the backlog. But it's very important that before you see this video, please check our list of Scrum because you need to know all the items that are over there, the user stories, what is Scrum, and all the different resources. Otherwise, it will be very difficult that you understand this video. Okay, so the sprint backlog got the following structure. So it's a table that you need to make every single sprint. That is very important because sometimes you can make many sprints for a development. So the first thing is that here you need to know what kind of development are you going to make. It is a product, it is a service, or is to solutionate a problem. So it's up to you. Here you say what are you going to do. After that, it's very important to know which sprint is it. Is the first one, the second, the third one, which one? So you need to specify very deeply how is it going to be made. After that, you need to write the sprint objective. The sprint objective change depending in the number of sprint, because if it's the first one, the objective it will not be the same after you have been developing forward. After you write the sprint objective, it's very important that this structure is made by the whole team. You cannot do it by yourself because all the members in the team need to be aware of what's going on the project and what are they doing. After that, the sprint backlog is divided in three more other parts. The first thing is the to-do. So what do you have to do to the development? So this is the first thing. And here you specify. When you put items over here, is because they are not done yet and you haven't started. But it's very important that the whole team know how the tasks are. So they know if they can help you or if they need something different. After that comes the things that are in progress. In progress, it means that you already started, but they are not done yet. If for some reasons you are having trouble with something, you can take a post-it and you can write what is the trouble that you have, because maybe someone in your team can help you out with this development. So that is extremely important that you be aware and you know how to do it. The part of done, it's also very important because it means the task has been completed. So here, it's very important that you know, but you have to be very specific in the description because it depends on the sprint. It's really the task completely over or can be improved. Remember that all the different tasks that you put here are very small. So the idea is that you can complete it. When you finish your sprint, everything should be in done. If something is not in done, you need to be putting all your resources to know what's going on. And even if it's in done, you need to know that maybe it can be improved or can be better for some situation in the future. So that will be very important in your development. As a conclusion, we can say that the sprint backlog is done for each sprint. That is very important to know because every time you make a new sprint, you need to make and develop a new backlog. The more specific are the tasks, the following up every day will be easier. That is very important. If you make something very complex for just one task, it will be very hard to finish it. It's better that when you are doing your to-do list and making all the backlog, you could be very specific in each development. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development if you are using Scrum or any other agile methodology. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 Design Thinking and Agile Methodology channel in the whole YouTube universe. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Here, next to the video, we have the link for our Udemy courses that we are already available. So if you want to participate, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.